Today, let's talk about supply chain challenges in manufacturing and how ERP can help overcome them. Manufacturers often face unpredictable delays, complex logistics, and rising costs. ERP provides real-time visibility across the supply chain, helping you monitor and manage each stage from procurement to delivery. With ERP, manufacturers can identify bottlenecks early, track supplier performance, and optimize inventory to avoid shortage or overstocking. ERP data-driven insight allow for quick adjustment to keep production on track. By streamlining supply chain management, ERP reduces downtime and helps manufacturers stay competitive in a fast-paced industry. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ali Al-Refaii from UNiFi Information Technology. If you are ready to tackle supply chain issues with ERP, visit our contact page at unifi-me.com/contact. Let's take your manufacturing efficiency to the next level.